ever had a makeup routine where it just feels like kind of sticky, tacky, and it's just not right? You can't wait to go ahead and wash it off. I know what you mean. I'm going to tell you exactly what you're doing wrong, but welcome back to my makeup troubleshooting series where I'm going to teach you what you're doing wrong in your makeup routine to actually go ahead and have the consistent and flawless makeup of your dreams. We're going to go ahead and talk about quickly today about why your makeup might seem very tacky, sticky. It's just not it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So remember, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and like and save. Make sure that you also subscribe to my channel where we're going to be making the very best videos when it comes to in beauty, not just makeup, hair, skincare, and all of the things, so that we can go ahead and have an elevated look to make you and feel beautiful each and every day in your life. We're talking about the tackiness of the makeup, particularly with your all-in-one custom makeup palette. No matter what size you actually started at, you want to make sure that you're not applying a lot. Less is definitely more. You have seen me do my makeup over and over again. If you haven't, you're just seeing this video for the first time, I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and take a look at my channel. Go ahead and subscribe while you're there. You can see how I apply the makeup differently. You can see that I apply it in the dot method. This is for a good reason. This makeup, you do not need a lot of product whenever you're using it. You don't need a lot. You need very little. It just does really well because it's concentrated. So if your makeup ever feels really sticky, it's because you put on too much, okay? You only need a tiny bit. Just trust the process whenever you are going and applying. And if it seems like, well, I'm not getting the coverage that I want, you don't apply more. You either change the brush or you need a darker color. Remember that the makeup brushes that were created with this makeup specifically are the bristles and everything were carefully selected to make sure that it's going to give the best possible blend, and also making sure that it doesn't absorb the product into the brush bristles and actually deposit it on the face. So then you're not wasting product and you're getting the blend that you want. Brushes that are more fluffy give less application and less product. Brushes that are more dense will give more product and give a fuller coverage of the application. So just remember that. You should have those details. If you need me to make a video on that, I definitely can. We will be talking about brushes in another episode. Just making sure that you understand that less is more when you're applying this makeup product will go ahead and give you so much better results. The second thing was making sure that you have the right color. When you're looking at your makeup products, if you feel that you're over applying a certain color, especially like your main highlight, because this makeup should last you a good while. If it's too light of a color, you tend to over apply to try to get it to cover imperfections. You just might need a darker color or have a darker color to mix and match. That's usually why I give you two main highlights, to make sure that you're able to go ahead and mix and match your colors. That way you can get the correct balancing that you're needing as you fluctuate in shade through season to season as well. Whenever you're doing that, just go ahead and keep those really quick tips in mind, that the tackiness that you're feeling, the heaviness that you're feeling is because you're over applying. It's really not needed. Less is definitely more when you're dealing with your 3D foundation. Trust the process. It definitely works. If you have not been using your step-by-step guide or your new customer guide, make sure that you do so. If you're my customer or client already and you don't know where that email is or you haven't received it for some reason, just go ahead and reach out to me via an email and I will go ahead and get you all set. Let me know if you have any questions about the tackiness of the feeling of your makeup down in the description below, so I can go ahead and talk you through it or even recreate another video. I will go ahead and see you in the next episode series.